Hey there, this is Pablo from Anima. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can embed custom code, like this Google map, to your Adobe XD prototype or website. First, let's go to Google Maps and search for the location you want to embed. Now, we're going to click on Share, and then Embed a Map. And last, click Copy HTML. Now, in Adobe XD, we're going to create a rectangle, or in this case, we are using an image as a placeholder. Select the placeholder, go to the Anima panel, and select Embed Code. Then, in the Selected Layer tab, paste the code. Since this code has added dimensions, we're going to match it to the size of our placeholder. The embedded code can be added in 3 different levels. You can embed a code in the layer, like we did with the Google map, or the code can be embedded in a specific artboard. Embedded code in an artboard means that the code will be embedded only in that specific page. For example, you can embed a chatbot only in your contact page. Then, you can also embed code to the entire website. This means that the code will apply to every page of the website. For example, web tracking, analytic tools, or in this example, the license to a custom font. Now, click Preview in browser to see it all come alive. I hope you like this cool feature. Please like this video, comment, share, and subscribe to get more Anima tutorials. Make sure to download the demo file using the link in the description.